Debate tonight. Shehzad Poonawala, national spokesperson of the BJP, with me in the studios here. Smita Prakash, editor of ANI. Dinesh Chaudhary, spokesperson of the BRS. Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst, supports the Congress party. Ashutosh, political analyst and senior journalist, also joining the debate. But my first question goes to Mr. Abbas Haider. Hero of the show tonight, Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Abbas Haider, क्या हो गया? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बचा रहे थे अभी 3 हफ्ते पहले, अब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की चिंता नहीं. Now you are thinking about a monsoon offer. Now democracy has become a mall. People are buying and selling openly. Jairam Ramesh is giving one offer to Chandrababu Naidu, another offer going into the BRS in Telangana, and the latest one is the Dukan opened by Akhilesh Yadav. I want to ask you, what about those washing machines? Where will you put all those washing machines to wash the 100 MLAs that you want to switch over from the BJP side and become Samajwadi parties? Which washing machine will you wash them in?
Navika ji, we are talking about the same Bharatiya Janata Party who has been poaching legislators across the country and shamelessly calling it Operation Lotus. Samajwadi Party president has said, this is the monsoon offer. You want to take it as a humor or you want to take it seriously, that's up to you. But the thing is, matter of the fact is, he is referring to the very same person who claims to have 100 MLAs. You know whom I'm talking about. And Navika ji, if you remember, there is also an unprecedented event which has happened in UP Assembly, where around 100 BJP MLAs, 100 ruling MLAs sat on a dharna against their own government. So I want to ask the question that were they the same MLAs whom the leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming support of? So you want to take it anyways, Navika ji. But you know, these Bharatiya Janata Party people who have, you know, tried to distort the democratic structure of the country, who have tried to distort the federal structure of the country, are now talking about poaching. And Navika ji, I saw the statement of the BJP leader you have shown, just shown in your package, that apne मूलधन बचा लो. So is this a threat? Is this a threat? Is this an indication that what is their plan? They are going to poach MLAs and legislators in UP and other states? So this raises a serious question, Navika ji. The fact of the matter is, Navika ji, the Bharatiya Janata Party is on back foot. Now they are U-turn Sarkar, who are claiming to be, you know, a decisive government. Now people of the country, people of the state, they know this. So I have seen what happened yesterday. Wow. We all have seen what is happening inside the Bharatiya Janata Party.
I understand. You have got 37 MPs now, so humor has come back, and we should see all tweets as you know, something that is being pointed out by Akhilesh ji. I also showed the statement that he made to me in an interview just a while ago when the Rajya Sabha elections were going on. This was in February, and he said, package ke bina to koi jata nahi. अब आप बुला रहे हैं तो कोई पैकेज तो होगा, पर आपसे पूछें तो you give us lectures on propriety, morality तो छोड़िए. But Shehzad Poonawala, let me ask you, your numbers have reduced from 303 to 240. Just a minute, Abbas Haider. Your numbers have reduced from 303 to 240. So everybody is taking pot shots at you and your MLAs. Somebody wants to run away with your MLA. Somebody is calling you a U-turn government. In the morning, you announce that there will be digital attendance by teachers. In the evening, you take back. In the morning, you announce that every dukandar has to put his name. Then you say that it is a voluntary effort. Point is, are you on the back foot, which is why they are on the front foot?
अखिलेश यादव जी के पास मॉनसून ऑफर पर ट्वीट करने के लिए समय है, परंतु मौन, बंगाल की महिलाओं के साथ उत्पीड़न होता है तो मौन रह जाते हैं, संदेश खाली पर मौन रह जाते हैं, तेलंगाना में किसान आत्महत्या कैमरे के सामने करता है, मौन रह जाते हैं, कर्नाटका में 37% SC/ST का पैसा लूट लिया जाता है, वाल्मीकि स्कैम होता है, मूडा स्कैम 5000 करोड़ का होता है, मौन रहते हैं. तो ये किन विषयों पर मौन है और कौन सा मॉनसून ऑफर? वैसे तो Goebbels, जो हिटलर का प्रोपेगेंडा मिनिस्टर था, he had once said that accuse the other side of that which you are guilty. And this is exactly what was taking place. They were constantly saying Operation Lotus, but who puts democracy on sale? Who considers Vidhayaks and Totis as instruments that can be brought in a shop? That has been exposed. When you take 16 MLAs from BRS, that is Satvik. When you say that 4 MIM MLAs should join RJD, that is Satvik. When our government in Bihar and Maharashtra is destabilized, you break those governments and you make your own governments even though you don't have the mandate, that is Satvik. Today when you are making this kind of offer, that is Satvik. This shows that the manner in which you have taken democracy on sale, and the question is only this, that perhaps they feel that their own Vidhayaks are Bikau, so they feel everyone else's Vidhayaks are Bikau. But the final point that I want to make is only this, that today, rather than making this offer of किसको सरकार बनाओ, you should do इंडी अलायंस बचाओ. पहले तो अब्बास जी ये बता दीजिए कि 10 में से कितना ऑफर किया है कांग्रेस को. बंगाल में इंडी अलायंस बचाओ, केरल में इंडी अलायंस पहले बचाओ, पंजाब में तो था नहीं, दिल्ली और हरियाणा में बचाओ, फिर उसके बाद ये ऑफर बताओ. क्योंकि जिनकी प्रवृत्ति ये रही है कि पिता को हटाओ और सरकार बनाओ, तो उनके लिए तो ये लाजमी है कि जहां मौका मिले, टोटी हो या विधायक, डाका डालो, सरकार बनाओ. परंतु मुझे लगता है, और देखिए मोहन भागवत जी का भी आपने जिक्र किया, मोहन भागवत जी इसी के बारे में कह रहे थे. मोहन भागवत जी ने क्या बताया कि आपको बनाया है विपक्ष का नेता, बनना है मुख्यमंत्री. ये जो इच्छाओं की इंद्रियां हैं वो थमने का नाम ही नहीं ले रही है. तो ये प्रवृत्ति और ये अहंकार की भावना को कम कीजिए ताकि आपके लिए भी भला हो. और जनता के इन मुद्दों पर कब ट्वीट किया अखिलेश जी ने, जरा उसके बारे में बताओ. तेलंगाना के किसान ने आत्महत्या की, उसके ऊपर कुछ बताओ.
अरे खरीद
पीडीए करने वाले दलितों का पैसा मारा गया, बताओ.
आपका काम है. आप अपने विरोधियों को तो छोड़िए, अपने दोस्तों की पीठ में छुरा भोंकते हैं. आप अपने दोस्तों के पीठ में छुरा भोंकने वाले लोग हैं. वी हैव सीन हाउ यू हैव पोज्ड योर ओन एमएलएज ऑफ योर ओन अलाइज. द कंट्री हैज सीन. व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑन दिस टीवी शो? यू शुड आंसर. हमने तो खुला कहा है, हमको हमारा तो खुला खेल फरुखाबादी है. आपकी तरह नहीं कि हम खरीद फरोख्त करें. हम तो कह रहे हैं आप लाइए ना, जिसके पास जरूरत हो. अगर लगता होगा कि
खुला खेल फरुखाबादी, खुला खेल फरुखाबादी. So here on the news are an open offer is going out and